So hey guys, welcome to another video. Today in this video I'm going to showing you how to save SHSH blobs of an iOS firmware. So you can come back and restore your iPhone. As you can see, blobs ever. Mac, we got macOS, we got exe file also. So I'm using a Mac, so let's dive into it. First of all, you have to download the app. The app's name is Blobs Ever. So I'm going to show you a complete tutorial. So let's go to Blobs Ever. And this is the as you can see interface. So first of all, I'm doing with my iPhone 13. So let me just connect the lightning cable. So I have connected my lightning cable. I will read the ECID from the device, and as you can see, let's select iPhone 13. Got 13 down there. And let's read the IPN ones. Okay, so what happens is this phone goes into DFU mode. So I have light turned off here because my background is really not suitable for the video. I have lots of book lying around as exam is coming up for me, and I'm posting every day. So I might move to posting 2 times a day from till February. So as you can see, it went to DFU mode. As you can see, allow accessory to connect. Click allow. As you can see, reading IPN ones. As you can see, IPN ones is not frozen. This is a normal thing. It will not become frozen as much. It's not easy to save SHSH blobs. So getting IPN ones is very hard. So what you can do is you have to close this once up one time and read it from device. Okay, entering recovery mode. So yep, takes about 10 or 5 minutes. As you can see, it goes into DFU mode and it come back like that. So it's very hard. As you can see, trying again. So what happens is it takes some time, so the length of the video will be very high, and it is a 4K video. Every minute counts, so it's very hard for me to export and everything. But what I can do, yeah, the device went to DFU mode again, or recovery mode you can say. As you can see, you can download this from website. I will link it in description. If I forgot to link in the description, you can just go over here. Reading IPN ones. How much time? I don't know. My DFU mode. It will go into. Yeah, okay. Oh, successfully got IPN ones. Exiting recovery mode. Click finish. So it will come back to normal. It will exit the DFU mode. So no need to worry. No data will be lost. I am. If you are in DFU mode, what you have to do is you can just click over here in this app and all. So success, click enter on your keyboard. So you can see, done, and everything. We got all the codes. So also save to SHSH blobs. Click go. So it will save the blobs. So let me just disconnect the phone. Wait, I will disconnect the phone. Wait. So we have to wait until we have to disconnect the phone. Don't be concerned about your phone, nothing will happen. Successfully save the blobs. As you can see, for versions 17.2.1 and 17.2. As you can see, and it will show some encountered while any error. So it's just normal, so no need to worry. Okay, as you can see, everything is saved, and we can click here, save device, and name for this device. Just click OK, and it will be saved over here. So it will get saved. It will take time. So as you can see, we saved the SHSH blobs. And thank you for watching. My name is Raya, and you are watching Isaac Hour. Thank you.